Hi friends. I am Caesar from PS Tutelar. Let's see how we can change background of an image. As this is a picture of a model, which has a blur background. Other image I have a scenery. We will bring model on the scenery. How we will do it in Photoshop. Let's get started with any delay. First we need to correct colors tone of the scenery. This scenery has green color tone. Because trees have green tone, we need to correct colors grading for the scenery. Need to find out gray point in scenery. Create a solid color layer. Value of hue is 0 and saturation is 0. Make brightness 25% for this layer. Then click OK. Change blend mode from normal to difference. Zoom in and see. We have dark point in scenery. And this is exact gray point in scenery. Create blank layer. Make a circle on dark point with the help of brush tool. Now dark point is inside circle, which is actually gray. We don't need gray solid color layer. So delete gray solid color layer. Create levels adjustment layer. Choose gray dropper. It will sample an image to set gray point. Click inside of circle, which is exact gray point in scenery. It will correct colors tone for scenery. You can see before and after. We don't need blank layer, so delete it. Select both layers. Press Ctrl+E to merge. Come to image of model. Go to select and click on select and mask. Reduce opacity of mask so we can see model. Click on select subject. It will create selection from most prominent objects in image. Pick Refine Edge Brush tool. Stroke on hair to refine. Other selection of model is good. We don't need to do anything more. Select Output to New Layer with Layer Mask. Then press OK. Background of model image has removed. Drag model image and drop on scenery. But if we watch carefully, it seems model is pasted from another image. Because colors tone of model is not match with scenery. We need to match colors grading of model with scenery. Active model layer. Go to image, adjustment and click on match color. Select scenery in source. Because name of main document is scenery. Select background in layer. Because background is scenery. You can see it in preview. Increase fade slider gradually. Make amount 70 for fade. Enable and disable preview to see difference. Now the colors grading of model is match with scenery. Press OK. Colors tone of model is match with scenery. Select both layer and press Ctrl+E to merge. Create levels adjustment layer. Select red instead of RGB. Press Alt and hold, then click on dark slider. It becomes red because we select red in RGB. Move slider to right until you see black noise. Then release the click of mouse. Press Alt and hold and click on highlight slider. Move slider to left until you see red noise. Then release Alt and mouse keys. Then select green in RGB. Press Alt and hold, then click on dark slider. Move slider to right until you see black noise. Then release Alt and mouse keys. Press Alt and hold and click on highlight slider. Move slider to left until you see green noise. Then release Alt and mouse keys. Finally select blue in RGB. Press Alt and hold, then click on dark slider. Move slider to right until you see black noise. Then release Alt and mouse keys. Press Alt and hold and click on highlight slider. Move slider to left until you see blue noise. Then release Alt and mouse keys. Here is image before and then after. Colors tone of model matched with background. We can change background of an image in this way. I hope it will help you. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.